I'm Professor Arun Arjunan, Professor of Additive Manufacturing at the University of Wolverhampton. So we are here at the launch of the new shaped laser additive manufacturing facility. For we were collaboration with the US on conventional spot. Now we are moving to shaped laser. And the key improvement we are looking at is efficiency. So the cost and speed at how we can manufacture metal components.
Predominantly we focused on copper in the past, moving into refractories, but applications include thin cooler plates for electronics.
Today is a very interesting day and important and exciting day for us. We've been, as a university, engaged in additive layer manufacturing for the best part of the last 20-odd years.
The journey of the University of Wolverhampton, now looking at 25 years later, having the ability to basically modify the beam shapes. This shows the innovation spirit of the University of Wolverhampton.
Pushing forward really in terms of that knowledge intensive industries. So fantastic to hear already this morning, some of the cutting edge technology around additive manufacturing. And obviously that's coming out of the work between the University of Wolverhampton, but also that collaboration with business.
The University of Wolverhampton started over 25 years ago with additive manufacturing, and they were at the forefront of AM back then already. They said today it was a kind of a gamble if they want to go into and invest in AM, and I think they were really successful.